and we're gonna go on the list again, list within the list. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna say, we're gonna do some sort of quotation. We can say my word, say my words, and I'm gonna make a list of words. And the first one is gonna be, I'm gonna make so for example, I'm gonna say make a word. For example, I'm gonna be double and says fate, for example, fate. And our, for example, I want to do love, for example, our fate, I can make another one, love, for example. So my words, you're gonna see that stands for love. So how about I wanna make a list of, say, my words as I show you guys before. So I'm gonna make L our list. That's my list now. You can think this L of as a list. So I'm gonna put a list. L is equal to list and my word. My word. No, my word is totally different. So now I have a list, and if I put a L, and you guys gonna see LOVE because LOVE is here. So that's what the function list works. And you guys can do a lot of beautiful things with love, and you guys can say put your words, and you can say everyone, and we can put a say my words plus your words. So my words, my words plus your words. It says love everyone. So that's what you guys can do. Very beautiful word. We can see the indexing just like a string. Say we put a store, and we can put all the list of all the major stores. Say we put a Costco, and we put a Target, and we put a Alibaba, for example, Baba. So we have 3 of the biggest store. I'm not sure why I'm getting keyboard interrupt. Okay, maybe I pressed something wrong. So when you put a store, and you guys gonna see Costco, Target, Alibaba. And how about if you do store and you want to find the item 0, you can find the item 0, and that's Costco. You can find the item 1, and that's a Target, and you can find item 3, for example. We don't have item 3, we have item 2, and you can see that's Alibaba. Alright, I'm going to clear the screen. So now we're going to see how we modify our items. Say we have animals in our list. Our animals holding a, say, tiger, for example, and you have monkeys, and we have a lion, for example, lion. So if you put animals, we can see tiger, monkey, lion. So if you guys want animals, and if you guys looking for an index of say 1, we're gonna get monkey. So how about if we're gonna change, instead of say monkey, we want to put something, say cheetah, for example. So animals, we're gonna see animal 1, and we're gonna assign cheetah, for example. And when we see animals, you guys gonna see we replaced say the index 1, that's index 0, tiger is index 0, monkey is index 2, lion is index 1 for the first one here instance. And now we're gonna put a cheetah instead of this monkey. So now instead of getting monkey, we're getting cheetah because we have changed this. This is very useful when you guys doing search engine, because I do myself, I'm making search engine, because this is very, very useful if you're doing search engine, and if you're going, if spider goes in there looking for words, because you guys looking for words within words, And I'm telling you guys, this is very, very important when you guys use your search engine or artificial intelligence. Then you guys know the significance of the list inside the Python. So you guys can do that. So how about if we kind of come here, and instead of putting -1, we put a -1, and instead of cheetah we put a, for example, we put a rabbit. So if you put animals, and you guys gonna see that the last one we changed it to rabbit. So how you guys gonna find the type? And now we're gonna, for the type of animals, because as we say that it's a class list. As you guys know, everything inside Python is objects. So you can do the slicing as well. So if you guys can come here and it says show me between 1 and 3, for example, 1 and 3, and you guys gonna see is cheetah. Say example, you guys gonna put it, show me all the items from 0 to 3, tiger, cheetah, rabbit. I'm gonna clear the screen. So you guys can do the slicing like this, or you guys can do, say here as we show you guys before I clear the screen, cheetah, tiger, cheetah and rabbit. You guys can do that. So how about we change this one the other way around? We say I want 2 and this. So it means that the position of the 2 is the rabbit, a 0, 1, and because that's a 2, we show rabbit, but we don't want any other, the first one or second one. So you guys can have a lot of items. You guys can have a 15, and you guys want to say that's whatever numbers you guys want to see, and you don't want to see anything else. So the functions are going to be like the length is going to be the sum, any, all. You guys can put a all. So if we put a print, and when we print all, and all of what? All of animals, for example, and that's true. And we can find the length, len, of animals, and number of length is 3. So if you guys have a number, for example num1, print number, and you guys gonna have the sum. For example, we don't have a sum at the moment, but I don't think we have a sum. We don't have a sum. Okay, so you guys can put a sum between the numbers. So you put a num n1 is equal to, say, 5, n2 is equal to, say, 10. So n3 is equal to, yeah, we can find say sum of n1 plus n2, and you can find the number 15. So the sum is very useful. It's not here, we didn't have anything here, but it is very useful if you guys do this. So that's what the sum, our length, and all, which is inbuilt Python functions. So you guys can have a lot of numbers. Say you can find the numbers if it's the numbers contained in the list or not. But that's all about the list. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.